You know, many people believe that it takes 20% down payment to buy a home, and you can actually buy with less than 20% down with some programs. But today we're going to be talking about gift funds. This is usually where a family member is stepping in to help out with some of the down payment if you don't have it all saved up yourself. But there's some specific things we need to keep in mind when we're talking about gift funds. First of all, we're going to need a gift letter. Now, we'll provide the form, but this is signed by all parties, not only the borrower, you, but also the donor. And it clearly identifies who's donating the money, who's gifting it, from what account is the money coming, how much is the dollar amount. All of that needs to be clearly spelled out and signed by all parties. The second thing is we may need to verify the actual source of the funds in the form of a bank statement from the donor to show that they had the money to gift in the first place. Not all programs require this, but we do need to at least verify where the funds are coming from. And as an important side note, we cannot use cash, okay? Don't let somebody give you a whole bunch of money and then just put that in your account. That won't work. We have to trace it back to the donor. And that leads us to the third thing, is how do we get the money from the donor? Well, it's very common for somebody to write you a check and then you deposit it. Sometimes they can transfer it from their account to your account. But one of the simplest and easiest ways is to have that donor wire the money directly to escrow. It cuts down on a lot of documentation, it's easier on everybody, and trust me, it's going to make a smooth transaction. If you have questions about gift funds, give us a call. There's lots of nuances, but we're here to help.